listen to what Dr. Motsuenyane says on this point. What hurts me most is to observe how far behind we still are economically when compared to other races in our country, and the level of poverty that is currently facing us. The problem is not going to be solved for us. We've got to solve it ourselves. Solutions will not come like manna from heaven. They come directly from us. We need to instill, as strong as possible, the spirit of self-reliance into our own people. Those are Dr. Sam Motsuenyane's words. To appreciate his convictions, look at what he has achieved in Winterfeld. He mobilized landowners to use their land productively and to cooperate in sourcing inputs and technology. Each farmer taking responsibility for his own or her piece of land. They did not stop there. They worked together to establish a Winterfeld citrus project and then elevated their production activities to a bigger scale and up the value chain to processing of oranges and production of fruit juices. Now, imagine if his vision, Dr. Motsuenyane's vision, were embraced, what things would look like today. Just imagine the following. Imagine if there could be an equivalent of a Winterfeld United Farmers Association in every village in Limpopo, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape, etc. Each family using its land productively and engaging family members in productive work. Families competing with each other for recognition of the quality of their produce and upkeep of their lands. Farmers working cooperatively to source the best inputs and technologies, as well as moving up the value chain to wholesaling and agro-processing. This would heal the woundedness of many women and women whose sense of self-confidence and self-worth has been eroded by feelings of uselessness. Is this not what we need to alleviate poverty and unemployment? But your imagination must not end there. Imagine even further, if in addition to productive use of the land and agro-processing, there could be an equivalent of a Blakeson store and an African Development and Construction Company in every municipal district, as well as a branch of a reclaimed African bank, landing on development terms that place high priority on the character of the applicants, viability of the business to be financed, as well as competencies and experience of the borrower, and not primarily on collateral in the form of fixed assets as normally demanded by the banks.